Sound check low. Yeah. Okay. No, makaadute yun. So, good morning. Today, June 24, 2026, we have pre-bid conference. It's our procurement activities for today. So, we have here the agenda for pre-bid conference prepared by our secretariat, members of the secretariat. So, one, we have to present yung mga basics contract data, yung mga we present the brief presentation on our project to be pre-bid. So, and second, our prospective bidders can clarify or question about we have presented. And third, we have the other matters. And the fourth, the summary of proceedings, including the supplemental bid bulletins to be issued. So first, we have to present the four project. So can we start? So we have the back members, the TWG, the secretarial, and also from the procurement unit, and likewise our IT who is in charge on our live streaming on our YouTube channel, DPWH Lower Kalinga District Engineering Office. So we have also our prospective bidders who attend this activity. So may we now introduce yourself, gentlemen, and what company you are representing for? Sir? Yeah, can you use the mic to be recognized and for our recording? And remember that we are on our live streaming. It's okay.
Presenting LJCA Construction, sir. I'm Norlan Balyan, sir. I'm liaison officer.
Contractor?
LJCA Construction, sir.
AGC.
LJCA.
LGCA. Okay, thank you. So likewise also those who are following us on our live streaming, good morning. So let's begin with the contract ID 26PL0015. And this is a second time. For the organizational outcome 1, the ensure safe and reliable national road system, asset preservation program, rehabilitation, reconstruction of roads with slips, slope collapse and landslide. Tertiary road, Bulano Parasilis Road at KO 504, 868 to KO 504 plus 883 at KO 510 plus 535 to KO 510 plus 565. And at KO 510 plus 606 to KO 510 plus 641. So this is a 3 section. So location, Tabok City, Kalinga. And we have an ABC, or the approved budget for the contract, 7,228,480 pesos only. The duration we have here, 127 calendar days. And the scope of work or the brief description. We have here the construction of 45-meter length concrete retaining wall structure, 35-meter length crib wall. We have also the reblocking of 27-meter length by 3.35-meter width by 0.23-meter thick PCCP. We have the construction of 65-meter length by 1.5-meter width by 0.23-meter thick shoulder PCCP. So we have also the stone masonry, the pipe culvert, the paint, the curb and gutter, and the reflectorized thermoplastic pavement. So the bid opening will be on July 7, 2026. So let's go to the bill of quantities. So we have here the project billboard or signboard, 3 each, the organizational safety and health program. This with an ABC of okay, thank you, Ma'am Jen. 183,691 pesos and 56 centavos. One lump sum. We have here the traffic management, one lump sum. Demobilization, one lump sum. We have also the removal of structure and obstruction, one lump sum. The removal of actual structure, obstruction, the 230 mm thick PCCP. This is an unreinforced. The removal of actual structure, the obstruction, the curb and gutter, we have 29 linear meter. The structure excavation, common soil, 1,087.38 cubic meter. The foundation fill, 37.80 cubic meter. Embankment from barrow, the granular coarse material, 721.54 cubic meter. The subgrade preparation, the common material, so 233.10 square meter. Then the aggregate sub-base course, 23.31 cubic meter. Or the Portland cement concrete pavement, unreinforced, 230 mm thick, 14 days, 187.95 square meter. The reinforcing steel, grade 40, 16,937.06 kilograms. For the reinforcing steel, grade 60, 3,755 kilograms. Structural concrete, class A, 20.68 megapascal, 28 days, 275.30 cubic meter. For the lean concrete, class B, 16.5 megapascal and 11.55 cubic meter. We have the paint, 62 square meter. The pipe culvert, 910 mm diameter, class 4 RCPC, 6 linear meter. The stone masonry, 136.84 cubic meter. For the drain pipe, the PVC, 138 linear meter. The curb and gutter, this is a cast in place, 29 linear meter. Then the reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings, the white, 4.05 square meter.
I'm just asking the who prepares the program because the structure to be done is 35 meters only, and the volume of the structure excavation is 1,000 plus. Hello, check. Madamati Bini.
Sige. Kindly check the plans. If with backup computation.
Sir, base kami J cross-section nga nakungay natayag ay nakuha kami sir. Natayag. Yan, sir. J may excavate sir.
Jay excavation na. Naunig kunam.
Talo sa mga section. Bali talo kami nga section sir.
I-kuam lang, ma'am, i-discuss mo lang jay kaunig jay may excavate. Tapno makita nga siyempre di footing na niya. Typical lang tayo kuam jay kuan na tapno at least so 1,000
Inside the tent. The 21, 6 p.m. 0021, sir. Malakay na.
Kailangan i-excavate ko dito yun. Si Kalsada.
One up to the bilbero ko.
Ngam gusto nga sumrek no sakto lang. Okay. Awanti extra volume nan. Thank you from the planning and design section for your explanation on what our back members clarify. So let's proceed to the minimum major equipment requirements. We have here the low bed trailer with prime mover or the self-loading truck 1. Dump truck, we need 4 unit, but at least 2 own. We have the payloader 1, the water truck 1, backhoe with breaker 1, but this should be owned by the bidder or the contractor. So we have the motorized road grader 1, the road roller 1, and the transit mixer. Again, this should be, we need 1 unit, but this should be owned by the bidder or the contractor. So the cargo truck 1, and the applicator machine 1, kneading machine 1. Again, we have here to comply with the Department Order number 11 series of 2017. We have the list of laboratory minimum requirements for the laboratory equipment. We have here the list. But take note, those who are following us on our live streaming, this should be owned by the contractor or the bidder. So you have the right, or you are free to ask question during our while we are on going for this detailed, like the equipment, the K personnel. You may ask question if you have clarification or verification. Since during bid opening, the back or will not entertain any question. We are only see the submitted documents, and we do the pass or fail criteria. So any question? Okay, so let's proceed to we have here the key personnel needed on this contract. We have the project manager, 1 year experience, the project engineer, must be DPWH accredited. Same with the materials engineer, must be DPWH accredited. The foreman, at least 1 year experience. We have here also the first aider with photocopy of certificate of first aid training issued by the Red Cross or by any organization accredited by the same in compliance to DOL requirements subject to Department Order 241 series of 2024 on the submission of CSP approved by the HOPE or the district engineer and the valid first aider ID from the Philippine National Red Cross. Same with the construction site safety officer with the photocopy of certificate completion on the basic of OSH course issued by DOL, BWC, the accredited safety training organizations or the recognized institutions. Include also the contact number, address, tax identification number, the machine copy of the PRC, and the accreditation of both the materials engineer and the project engineer. So if we present all the 4, we will follow this agenda. So after presenting the 4, we can have the second agenda and the third and the fourth. So let's present first these 4 contract IDs. Next, proceed to the next contract ID, the 26PL0029, the organizational outcome 1. And again, this is a second time to be for the pre-big conference. Ensure safe and reliable national road system, asset preservation program, the rehabilitation, reconstruction of or the upgrading of damaged paved roads, primary roads along Manuel S. Aguio Boulevard at KO 513 plus 837 to KO 513 plus 943 at KO 514 plus 134 to KO 1514 plus 155 and at KO 514 plus 187 to KO 514 plus 262. Again, we have 3 sections. So the location, Tapok City, Kalinga, and the approved budget for the contract, 2,361,800 pesos only. We have the contract duration, 40 calendar days. What can you say about this, Sir Warren? We have PCCP. The brief description is a construction of 200.5 meter length by 3.35 meter width by 0.28 meter thick PCCP and 21 meter length by 6.70 meter width by 0.28 meter thick PCCP. And we have also the reflectorized thermoplastic pavement. For the bid opening will be on July 7, 2026. Anyway, that's the contract duration. The planning and design section are basing on the department orders to come out with this contract duration. So for the bill of quantities, we have here the miscellaneous survey and staking, 1 lump sum, project billboard or signboard, 3 each. For the occupational safety and health program with an approved budget for the contract, 46,303.02 centavos, 1 lump sum. Traffic management, 1 lump sum. Demobilization, 1 lump sum. For the removal and relocation of utilities, 1 lump sum. Removal of actual structures, obstruction, 0.20 meter thick PCCP and reinforced, we have 812.38 square meter. For the subgrade preparation, this is an existing pavement, 824.98 square meter. For the aggregate base course, for the blocking, 82.50 cubic meter. And the Portland cement concrete pavement, the unreinforced, 280 mm thick, 14 days, 812.38 square meter. Then the reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings, white, 8 square meter. And we have also the reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings, yellow, 28.50 square meter. We have here the list of the minimum major equipment requirements. So we have the low bed trailer with prime mover or self-loading truck, 1, dump truck, 2 own. The payloader, 1 water truck 1, backhoe with breaker own, but we need 1 unit. So motorized road grader 1, road roller 1, transit mixer 1, but at least owned by the bidder. Cargo delivery truck 1, applicator machine 1, kneading machine 1. So again, the laboratory minimum requirements. We have here the list, and this should be owned by the bidder or the contractor. For the key personnel, we have here the project manager, at least 1 year experience. The project engineer must be DPWH accredited, and the materials engineer may not be DPWH accredited, but this should be a licensed civil engineer. For the foreman, 1 year. First aider with photocopy of certificate of first aid training issued by the Red Cross or by any organization accredited by the same in compliance to all requirements subject to DO 241 series of 2024 on the submission of CSP approved by the HOPE or the district engineer and valid first aider ID from PNRC. Construction site safety officer with photocopy of certificate of completion on the basic OSS course issued by the DOL, the accredited safety training organization or recognized institutions. Include also the contract number, address, stock identification number, the machine copy of PRC, and the accreditation of the materials engineer and the project engineer. Next, we have here the contract ID 26PL0034, the Convergence and Specials for Program Construction, Improvement of Access Road leading to declared ay 43 nalpas daytan history. So the contract ID should be 26PL0043, not 34. So leading to the tourism declaration, tourism road infrastructure program, the trip Makotay Green Hills, San Pedro, and San Vicente access road, leading to Elephant Hill archaeological tourism site. We have at Station 2 plus 820 to Station 3 plus 480 Rizal Kalinga and Liwan. So location Rizal Kalinga with an approved budget for the contract 18,727,800 pesos only. For the contract duration with 150 calendar days. For the brief description, the construction of 660 meter length by 6.70 meter width by 0.28 meter thick PCCP. The embankment materials, we have also the 1,320 meter length curb and gutter and reflectorized thermoplastic pavement. The bid opening will be on July 7, 2026. For the BOQ, we have here the project billboard signboard with 3 each. The occupational safety and health program with an ABC of 211,955 pesos and 62 centavos, 1 lump sum. Traffic management, 1 lump sum. Demobilization, demobilization, one lump sum. Surplus common excavation, we have 2,390.80 cubic meter. For the embankment from roadway, structure excavation, common soil, 595.20 cubic meter. The subgrade preparation, common material, 7,920 square meter. Aggregate sub-base course, 802.97 cubic meter. For the Portland cement concrete pavement, unreinforced, 280 millimeter thick, 14 days, 6,006 square meter. Curb and gutter, cast in place, 1,320 linear meter. And the reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings, wide, 198 square meter. Bayos mo na. Ha? Ha? Jay? Ay. Okay.
Kurang dito 190. 660. Ay, so 165.
Sobriety 30.
Ay, 33 ay 74 na 0.15 times 3 times 3 times 33.30 9, bali 9, 660 divided by 9, 73 point something. Tulay ko ng 74, 3 meters. Pagkada pedestrian na, sabali. Sabali ka pedestrian. jacob, 3 meters to 3 meters. Three meters.
So, mas 6 meters.
Ano? Ang sugat. Kape.
Piyak, okay? Piyak.
Okay. So, we have here the list of equipment needed for this contract ID. The low-bed trailer with prime mover or self-loading truck, 1. Dump truck. We need 4 unit, but at least 2 own. Payloader, 1. Water truck, 1. Backhoe, 1 own. Dito yung water truck ngayon. Dangay ti kung dagito ko contractor kit duwa lang nga contractor ti adakastoy nga water truck nga 16. Wen kit kasano na itanong ko. Isupi man tiyag ko kuan day dumangay madis. Mabalin ti duwa. Nyati ko medya Ma'am Fred Nga dati ko off the record ada lagi ya contractor ngayon ako na irida data. Duwa lang ni OCD sikin ni Yunakim ti Dakastana. Kit hamit nga palis da ko at naka-placement kanya dan.
Basta
Yung i-range mo, 8,000 to 16.
at the range the capacity na.
Capacity, 8,000 to 16,000. Carry.
Sa to 12 within the range. Pasok. Liters.
8,000. Ay, 8 liters to 16K. Ano na ako?
Shortcut.
So, the succeeding kastan to. Baka kilos po ba na rin? 8,000 liters. To 16. Mas masin pa rin yung butilog. Bigat mo.
Nagipon din.
Well, may salat na.
Nagipon din na E50.
Kasi isubiman din rin na. Mga tao na rin, sumanitigiwan na rin. Nag-rin at baka lang titiduwa. It's either mga 8-10 or
12-8.
so agree stay lahat na.
So, for the backhoe, we need one but own motorized road grader one, the road roller one, the transit mixer we need two but at least one own. Cargo delivery truck one, applicator machine we have one, the kneading machine one. Again, we have the list of the minimum requirements for the laboratory equipment to comply with Department Order number 11 series of 2017, and this should be owned by the bidder or the contractor. So for the key personnel, we have the project manager, at least 1 year experience, the project engineer. This must be DPWH accredited. Likewise, the materials engineer, DPWH accredited. For the foreman, 1 year experience. And we have here the first aider with photocopy of certificate of first aid training issued by the Red Cross or by any organization accredited by the same in compliance to all requirements subject to DO 241 series of 2024 on the submission of CSP approved by the HOPE or the district engineer and valid first aider ID from Philippine National Red Cross. Same with the construction site safety officer with a photocopy of certificate of completion on the basics OSS course issued by DOL BWC, the accredited safety training organizations or recognized institutions. Include the contact number, address, the tax identification number, machine copy of the PRC, and the accreditation of the materials engineer and the project engineer. $12,000, $8,000. 12, okay. Next contract ID, we have 26PL0044. We have the organizational outcome 1, ensure safe and reliable national road system, asset preservation program, de-rehabilitation, reconstruction of roads with slips, slope collapse, and landslide. Tertiary roads, Tabok, Banawi, Bayatanunan, Barlig Road, at KO 510 plus 85 to KO 510 plus 410, and at KO 517 plus 729 to KO 517 plus 744, KO 521 plus 570 to KO 521 plus 684. KO 521 plus 2557 to KO 521 plus 2573 at KO 526 plus 1223 to KO 526 plus 1240 at KO 536 plus 367 to KO 536 plus 393 and KO 536 plus 1199 to KO 536 plus 1261. So that's this 7 section. Location, the Tanudan, Kalinga. We have an approved budget for the contract, 35,321,813 pesos and 0.07 centavos only. The contract duration, we have 224 calendar days. The brief description, construction of 154 meter length concrete retaining wall structure and 121 meter length crib wall and 275 meter length concrete shoulder with curb and gutter. Or the bid opening will be on July 7, 2026. Since the contract, since the ABC is more than 30 million, the bidder or our prospective bidder should be an ISO accredited. We have there the facilities for the engineer, the provision of furniture, fixtures, equipment, and appliances for the field office for the engineers with an ABC of 919,296 pesos only and one lump sum. We have also the provision of 4x4 pickup type service vehicle for the engineers on bare rental basis.
Mr. Chair, can
Yes,
interject?
Sir Renzo.
To the one who prepared the POW, can you specify what are those equipments for that almost 1 million facilities for the engineer?
So we have from the planning and design personnel who prepared the program of work and plans. He can answer your queries.
Yun po 8.1.1 po. 11, sir? Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, kasali po dyan yung apat na smartphone, dalawang computer desktop set, saka dalawa pong printer na A3. Yan po mga kailangan.
Thank you. So since that is facilities for the engineer, to the prospective bidders, dapat yan dapat i-deliver na yan. Kasi para magamit naman yung kaya nga facilities for the engineer. So to the prospective bidders, please produce those items before before the project will mobilize. Kasi minsan they are delivering it after the project is finished.
Okay, thank you, Sir Renzo. So, in addition on that, especially the desktop, you must coordinate with our IT since they have specs, the specification to be attached on that so that the bidder or who will get that project will follow the specification coming from our IT. Even yung mga smartphone, dapat may specification yan sa program of work.
Naka-include, sir,
Galing,
sa
okay.
detailed unit price.
Okay.
Sa dupa niya, sir.
That's baka yung deliver nila hindi updated or a symbol. Thank you, Sir Arnold. Welcome our just arrived our one member from to attend meeting. Please introduce yourself. So that's it. Anyway, all specification will be attached on the program of work so that the bidder should have a basis to purchase that equipment to be used by the field engineers. So, yan, operation and maintenance of 4x4 pickup type service vehicle for the engineers. We have 207,427 pesos and 50 centavos. So this is 7.47 months. The project billboard or signboard, we have 3 each. The occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum with an approved budget for the contract, 429,587 pesos and 18 centavos. So the traffic management, 1 lump sum. The mobilization, 1 lump sum. The removal of structure and obstruction, 1 lump sum. The removal of actual structure, obstruction, 230 mm thick PCCP unreinforced, 37.50 square meter. The removal of actual structure, obstruction, this is a curb and gutter, 275 linear meter. Structure excavation, the common soil, 4,441.20 cubic meter. The foundation fill, 237.10 cubic meter. The embankment from barrow, this is a granular coarse material, 2,847.79 cubic meter. The subgrade preparation, common material, 443.50 square meter. Aggregate subbase course, we have 44.35 cubic meter. The Portland cement concrete pavement, unreinforced, 230 mm thick, 14 days, 443.50 square meter. The reinforcing steel, the grade 40, 67,846 kilogram. Reinforcing steel, grade 60, 5,863 kilograms. Structural concrete, this is class A, 20.68 megapascal, 28 days, 1,027.32 cubic meter. The lean concrete, class B, 16.5 megapascal, 24.6 cubic meter. The paint, 121 square meter. Stone masonry, 1,410.26 cubic meter. The drain pipe, the PVC, 1,453.75 linear meter. The curb and gutter, and this is a cast in place, 275 linear meter.
Mr. Chair, again,
Yes,
for the to be recorded, I think we will include during the mobilization of equipments and if they will let us include the traffic management. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng equipment lang nandun, wala yung yung standard signages to the bidders. Please be reminded that we are strict on that, the traffic management, because even us, we are being monitored by the central office, especially those wala nang tarpaulin. Siguro yung tarpaulin additional lang yun, pero yung standard, you should purchase the standard what is specified on the plans, standard traffic management, the signages. Yung kung reflectorized na yung aluminum, nandun, nakaspecify nandun. So, before sana na mag-mobilize to the construction chief, dapat check natin yun. Kasi, siyempre, pag nag-mobilize yung equipment, dapat nandun na yung mga nila, yung pang-traffic management.
Okay, thank you, Sir Renzo. And Engineer Mokay is one of the back members and at the same time the maintenance engineer. And he is concerned on our roads, safety of our traveling public. So, take note, mga prospective bidders natin, before the mobilization, the advance payment, this should be, the traffic management should be purchased, and once attachment of that mobilization. And anyway, the requirements are attached on the program of work. Just see the specification that especially that don't use tarpaulin. We must use the standard materials on our traffic management. So that's it. We have here the minimum major equipment requirements. The low bed trailer with prime mover or the self-loading truck, one. Dump truck, we need 4 units but at least 2 own. Payloader 1, water truck, again 1, we need 1, but this should be range from 12 to 16,000 liters. Kasi hindi naman, ano yun, hindi naman walang concrete na walang structure kung walang water truck, di ba? So, anyway, importante may water truck. So, we have to limit to 12 to 16,000 liters to give way to some bidders. Since the locality, our contractor, local contractor, I think 2 only who has this water truck at 16,000 liters. Backhoe, 1 own. The backhoe with breaker, 1, but this should be own. Pay do what the backhoe na? We know. Yan ita. Backhoe. Okay lang na ita. We know, di ba, sukat-sukatan na minuang madi. Okay lang? Maraming section. Okay. Baka wasting time yung palit ng ngipin. Road roller, we need 1. Transit mixer, 1. The cargo truck, 1. Road roller, cargo truck, transit mixer. No. Ape, undi asawa na. Awan di asawa na nga grader. Da. So include on that in our bid bulletin. Okay. For the personnel, oh, the laboratory, we have here the list of the minimum requirements for the laboratory to comply with the DO 11 series of 2017, and take note this should be owned by the bidder or the contractor. The key personnel, we have here the project manager, 1 year. Project engineer must be DPWH accredited. Also, the materials engineer must be DPWH accredited, or the foreman at least 1 year experience. The first aider with photocopy of certificate of first aid training issued by the Red Cross or by any organization accredited be the same in compliance to all requirements subject to DO 241 series of 2024 on the submission of CSP approved with the HOPE, the district engineer, and the valid first aider ID from the Philippine National Red Cross. The construction site safety officer with photocopy of certificate of completion on the basics OSS course issued by DOL, the WC, the accredited safety training organization, or the recognized institutions. Include contact number, address, tax identification number, machine copy of PRC, and the accreditation of the materials engineer and the project engineer. So we just presented the mga basic or the requirements on this the ABC, the including contract description, the duration of the project. So let's we have also the next agenda, the mga prospective bidders natin, yung mga documents to be submitted. First, we have two, the technical components and the financial component during the bid opening. For the technical components of the bid, the PhilJEP's certificate, B-1 if not enrolled in CWR or the Civil Work Registry, PCAB license and registration, statement of all ongoing government and private contracts, the SLCC, and also the NFCC, the computation and statement of total asset and total liabilities, the joint tenure agreement if applicable, and for the B2, if already enrolled in the CWR, we have here the eligibility documents to be updated, if any. Bid security, the project requirements organizational chart for the contract, the list of contractors key personnel, list of major equipment, and the omnibus statement. Yun ang mga attachment ng mga technical components natin. For the financial components, we have the bid form, the bid prices in the bill of quantities, and the detailed estimates and the cash flow. Yan ang dalawang mga envelope na isasubmit ng mga prospective bidders natin during the bid opening. And the bid opening will be on July 7, 2026. Also, the criteria and procedure for eligibility check, the preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, and the post-qualification and award. Yan ang mga reminders natin sa mga prospective bidders. So, anyway, we have presented. So, mga prospective bidders, any question? Wala? Ay, sige. Okay. You can use the mic.
Tanong ko lang po sir, yung pong regarding po dun sa road concreting, halimbawa po ang experience lang yung yung graveling or road opening, pwede po ba? Tapos yung pong halimbawa po sir sa Gabyon, yung experience po is reprap, hindi pwede rin po kaya yun?
Yung
Sa Gabyon po, yung Gabyon, ang experience lang po is reprap.
pagfulan niya Gabyon, pwede, slope.
Pwede po. Pwede po sir?
And those in Manila.
Yes sir.
We forward your silang nag-assist.
Okay, sige po. Thank you sir, thank you.
Pag dumating yung submit natin yung pangalan ng bidder sa procurement service in Manila, then they will download for us the eligibility check, then we will see if pass or fail. Yan ang nilalagay doon sa
Okay, sige po. Thank you sir, thank you po.
So any more question?
That's why it's very important to the bidders to update their the CWA. You submit all your experiences, and then they will update your documents there, all your documents.
So before the bid opening, dapat naka-update yung mga ninyo eligible, yung mga legal papers ninyo, no? So for the di kwato yung aro, so for the bid bulletin natin, yung dapat may 12 liters, 12,000 liters to 16 liters, no? Tapos sa project contract ID 26PL0044, yung inclusion of the road grader, no? Sa minimum major requirements na equipment. Yan ang dalawang additional. Any more from the body? Any additional? Since our prospective bidders are following us on our live streaming, any advisory or additional reminders? So, to sum up, yung traffic management dapat during the claim of the advance payment, that traffic management should be provided by the bidders or the contractor who take this project. So we dapat may deliver para magamit during the project implementation. Also the facilities for the engineers, they should be comply with our specification, especially the requirements issued or give by our IT, so that it would be updated the specification to be purchased by the contractor, and it should be delivered before para magamit yung mga field engineers na naka connect sa project na ito. Okay? That sum up our activities for today. So we have 4 projects for pre-bid conference. So Our next activity will be on the bid opening on June 29, 2026 and Monday. No. So that's it. Thank you mga prospective bidders who attend our procurement activities for today. Thank you very much. Also our back members, the secretariat, the TWG, the IT who are in charge on our live streaming, on our YouTube channel, DPWH LKDO. Also, those who followed us, thank you very much for your cooperation and your attendance. That's the end of our agenda for today.